So the way that Mexican grocery stores work when it comes to baked goods is a little different than you typically see in the United States or Canada. What you're going to do is you're going to go into the bakery section and find a big flat pan and a tongs, which will always be there. There might be a counter, but you'll find those, and then go around and use your tongs to put everything onto that metal plate, anything you're looking for, and then carry that back over to a desk where there's like kind of like a register looking thing. And even if no one's there, just pull up over there and someone will show up soon, and they will go through and type in the codes for everything that you bought and put it in a bag, put a sticker on it, and then you'll go to the register to check out.
Okay, guys.
Yes. Okay, we
I
good?
think we're done.